Believe. Definitions: to think that something is true, correct or real. Example: I believe in the power of positive thinking. Belittle. Definitions: to make a person or an action seems as if he, she or it is not important. Example: it is not kind to belittle others for their mistakes. Belong. Definitions: to be in the right place or a suitable place. Example: she felt she truly belongs in that community. Belt. Definitions: to tie something with a belt. Example: he decides to belt out his favorite song at the karaoke bar. Bemoan. Definitions: to complain or express sadness about something. Example: the fans begins to bemoan the team's poor performance. Bend. Definitions: to curve. Example: you need to bend your knees when lifting heavy objects. Benefit. Definitions: to be helped by something or to help someone. Example: regular exercise will benefit your overall health. Bequeath. Definitions: to arrange for money or property to be given to somebody after your death. Example: she decides to bequeath her jewelry to her granddaughter. Bereave. Definitions: to have a close relation or friend who has died. Example: the family was bereaved by the sudden loss of their beloved pet. Besiege. Definitions: to ask for something in a way that shows you need it very much. Example: I beseech you to reconsider your decision. Beset. Definition: hurt or troubled by something bad. Example: the journey was beset with numerous changes. Besiege. Definitions: to surround a place, especially with an army, to prevent people or supplies getting in or out. Example: the castle was besieged by enemy forces. Bespeak. Definitions: to suggest or show. Example: her elegant manner of speaking bespoke her high education. Bestir. Definitions: to become active after a period of rest. Example: he has to bestir himself to finish the project on time. Bestow. Definitions: to give something as an honor or present. Example: the queen decides to bestow kinghood upon the brave soldiers. Bestrew. Definitions: to lie covering a surface or to cover a surface with things that are far apart. Example: the gardener bestrews the seed across the fertile ground. Bestride. Definitions: to sit or stand with a leg on either side of an object or animal. Example: he could bestride the motorcycle with ease. Bet. Definitions: to risk money on the result of an event in the hope of winning more money. Example: I bet you can't finish the pizza by yourself. Betake. Definitions: to go somewhere. Example: he decides to betake himself to the countryside for some phase. Betide. Definitions: to happen. Example: woe betide anyone who is standing their way. Bewail. Definitions: to express great sadness or disappointment about something. Example: they continue to bewail the passing of the old traditions. Bewilder. Definitions: to confuse someone. Example: the complicated instructions bewilders the new employee. Bewitch. Definitions: to attract or interest someone a lot so that you have the power to influence them. Example: the magician managed to bewitch the audience with his memorizing performance. Bid. Definitions: to offer a particular amount of money for something when competing against other people to buy it. Example: she decides to bid on the antique vase at the auction. Bide. Definitions: to wait calmly for a good opportunity to do something. Example: he has to bide his time before making a move in the competitive market. Bifurcate. Definition: of roads, rivers, branches to divide into two parts. Example: the river will bifurcate into two smaller streams just beyond the village. Bilk. Definitions: to get money from someone unfairly or dishonestly. Example: the con artist tried to bilk the elderly couple out of their savings. Besect. Definitions: to divide something into two usually equal parts. Example: the highway will bisect the city, making travel more convenient but disrupting some neighborhoods. Bite. Definition: to use your teeth to cut into something or someone. Example: be careful not to let the dog bite your hand when you feed it. Blab. Definitions: to talk carelessly or too much, often telling others something you should keep secret. Example: she accidentally blabbered the surprise party plans to the guest of honor. In the next tutorial, I will bring you English words with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification. See you in a future video.